The Objectification of the Will, How Spirit Becomes Matter. This is an excellent book. Look at your hand. 27 bones, precise calibration of tendons pulling. Fingernails growing at this very moment without your directions. You were not the one who created this hand. It has not been your responsibility to consciously tend it, to consciously tend to its healing. You have never been consciously involved in its healing or growth. Something built it, something runs it. According to Schopenhauer, will is something, not your will, not the will of the conscious mind. The will, blind, purposeless, same force that makes tree roots grow through concrete and keeps your lungs inflating while you sleep. But there is the question that he puts you in front of that you have to consider. How does a force that has no mind, no plan, no awareness, create something so complicated as a hand? That's the issue of objectification. The act of objectifying is how will's visibility is accomplished. Becomes thing, becomes world. It does this in grades. The lowest grade, physics. Gravity, magnetism, electric charge. Nothing in your hunger is kin to something in the falling when a stone falls, not consciously. But with the same fundamental quality, direction and perseverance drive forward. One grade up, biology. A plant adapts to light, grows to repair damage, reproduces. The will objectifying more fully and creating forms which carry the will's striving more elaborately. Then animals. Next, the nervous system. Then consciousness. It is not forces that become different in each grade. It's the same force, but in more complex ways of expressing itself. At the top of the grades, the human being. Where the will has done something that is truly special, even to some degree horrid. An organism that is self-aware, to feel its own striving as suffering. To ask, why is it trying? And it is trying, yes, why is it trying? And what does it have to say to ask, why is it trying? And it is trying, yes, why is it trying? What does it have to say? The will has created the one thing that can have knowledge of what the will is. It has given birth to its own witness, the awkward piece. You are not a soul forced into matter. You are no soul merely lodged in matter. You are will, the objective at a high grade. The one that's you thinking, narrating, self-aware is secondary to that part that feels like the real you. The body was first, and that's where it stayed. The intellect got its training for the use of the will. Your reasons are primarily explanations of what your will desired. If the will were to objectify itself from gravity to human consciousness, where is it going? Schopenhauer's reply is silent and terrible. No, the objectification has no end. It keeps on giving and giving, continues to create worlds of beings struggling and suffering and dying and striving. It is not a sign of purpose. Whatever hand you looked at is extraordinary, intricate, improbable. It's the meaninglessness of a very, very elderly form.